Hello, welcome to Nexus. It's great to have your company. As always, there's plenty of English language learning at Nexus. Don't forget to watch out for this symbol. It means there's a special focus on English language learning from that story on our website. So, what's on today? We'll visit Australia's Parliament Houses, the old and the new, and learn about a program that provides the gift of language to refugees in Australia. But first, Seeing Machines is a Canberra-based technology company that's pioneering computer vision systems. One of their products, FaceLab, can be used in many different industries with surprising applications.
Seeing Machines is a computer vision company making computer software that is applied to industrial problems and more recently to medical problems. We are a team of software engineers and hardware engineers developing revolutionary new technology based on computer vision, using computer video cameras to understand the scene in front of us and to interpret that and allow a computer to then control some machinery or to generate some information, some data that is useful to people in their jobs. Seeing Machines began in the engineering laboratory at the Australian National University. In 2000 it was created as a company, set up home in Acton on the ANU campus in Canberra, and began life developing computer vision technology, some of which has been embodied in our FaceLab product and has been brought to market over the last 6 years of our life.
FaceLab is a human factors package. It's a face tracking system, uses Seeing Machines image processing, image recognition capabilities to track human faces. FaceLab is a research tool, so we're selling to researchers for developing new techniques and new products. But these same capabilities that underlie FaceLab, the tracking capabilities, are being used in many different areas. They're interested in computer gaming, in safety obviously, driver fatigue. FaceLab is using two cameras. We're using stereo. Much like humans, two eyes are better than one. By using two cameras, that allows us to do triangulation, basically, of the face. So we can have very accurate depth measurement of where the face is, where the eyes are, and what the eyes are doing. We have a human subject being tracked here, and as we're moving the head around, the system is taking images of the eyes, the eyelids, and the head itself, and it's tracking the direction of the person's vision and what he or she is doing with their head. So this is useful for applications where people want to study human behaviour, so interactions. It's useful in fatigue. We're tracking eyelids, so we can track when people are falling asleep at the wheel, for instance, falling asleep at a radar console. The main application for FaceLab has been in the transportation industry. So we're actually working with a company to develop this and actually put this into cars and trucks for fleets, and then potentially for passenger vehicles as well further down the line.
Seeing Machines has been involved in a collaborative research effort with people from the Australian National University to create a new device for detecting glaucoma. Glaucoma is a disease that affects 2 to 3% of the population over 40 years of age on a global basis, and it's a very difficult disease to detect and treat. And one of the difficulties in the devices that doctors have available to them today is the unreliability and difficult nature of the tests. The glaucoma device is revolutionary in that it measures both eyes at the same time. The person looks into the device and the device shines a very special light pattern into the eye, and all the patient has to do is to continue to look at it. And the involuntary responses in the person's eye are detected by the device, and they are used to detect the health of the entire visual system. So not only are we sensing the health of the eye itself, but also the optic nerve back to the brain, doing the analysis, and potentially it has the capacity to detect neurological issues as well as defects in the vision. Computer vision is really one of the enablers of taking technology from where it is today to those next levels. It's the most information-rich data source, vision. The most important sense that we as humans have is our eyes, that we can see the world around us, and computer vision is the technique through which we can get a very rich information source into devices, computers, robots, gadgets. So for the future, I think there's great things that will come.
Parliament House is the meeting place of the Parliament of Australia. The original old Parliament House was opened in 1927 and was in use until 1988 when the new Parliament House was opened. This amazing building was built at a cost of over $1 billion, and the unique blend of impressive architecture, a stunning art collection and beautiful landscape makes it one of Australia's most significant and popular cultural